It's important to be active whilst pregnant because it can help mood and sleep, help the labour process, can help prevent things in pregnancy such as diabetes, weight gain and blood pressure problems in pregnancy.
We've got a brand new aquanator class starting here at the Welsh National Pool. We try and make it as friendly as we possibly can, so even if people are a little bit nervous coming along, the class is really social. Everyone is really welcoming at the classes that we have here. You can come with friends, you can come with other people that you may know here as well.
I think the best thing about going to classes for pregnant women is to get around lots of other different women and chat about your pregnancy, and also keep really social as well, because I think a lot of the time, you know, it's quite easy to like sit at home when you're pregnant, and also you meet other people for after when you have a baby as well.
If ladies who are inactive prior to pregnancy are in any doubt, they can check with their health professional. Obviously, if they've got any other health problems, they need to bear that in mind.
The advice and support I've received whilst being pregnant about being active from my midwife is to just carry on being as active as I was before my pregnancy, because I'm already going to the gym and going to classes and things. But obviously you've got to go with how you feel, your body, you know, what you feel that you can do.
Safety is obviously important in the class. Obviously they carry a very important package that we want to make sure they are that is looked after through the class. Everyone's a little bit different, so whenever anyone comes here, we do have a little chat with them, make sure they've been exercising before, or if they've had the okay from either their midwife or their healthcare professional to start coming along with us.
We're really pleased to be able to collaborate with the City and County of Swansea to offer this fantastic aquanator class to the wider community.
At the moment, all times and availabilities and the days that we're doing the class are available on their website, so check it out, and it's available for all ladies who are currently pregnant.